Hey guys, this video is just going to be a quick 5 DIY things you could do by yourself to maximize space in your shed. So just starting off here, as you can see by the back wall, one of the biggest things I used, or items that I used here, was a slat wall. As you can see here on the door, on this back wall, you can see slat wall. Then on both walls, you can see more slat wall, which allows me to hang stuff up on the walls, get it out off the floor, and allows for tool storage, yard equipment, and also you can put some shelves on the slat wall and give yourself even more space. So these shelves and the slat wall back here is made by Flowwall, pretty good product. I'll put a link below. And then this slat wall here and the slat wall on this wall is just basic display store slat wall that you could find pretty cheap to find. 4 by 8 feet goes for about $50. The flow wall is maybe 3 times that. All right, so that would be number 1, is use slat wall wherever you can. Number 2 would be overhead storage, overhead shelves. So as you can see here, got a lot of overhead storage space by making these shelves up above. Gets a lot of the stuff off the ground and saves you a lot of your space you have below. Number 3 is going to be actually using the space you have in between the 2x4s to create little storage space. Like as you can see here, you can store batteries, anything you want in between these 2x4. As you can see here, I use this space here to store the long yard equipment, and kind of nice little cubby hole to allow stuff to actually be secured in there. So here, another idea with these little shelves here in between the 2x4 is you can actually make them to whatever size you want. So as you all know, we always have stuff that sometimes bigger, smaller, whatever the case might be. All you need to do is pretty much nail these small little scrap pieces of wood up to the side of the 2x4s, and then as you need it, you can actually move them to where you want them. So say you end up buying stuff, things change, times change, you can move them wherever you want, and you don't have to completely redo the whole shed. So that would be number 3. So 4, we're going to go with these cabinets. You can install cabinets throughout your shed. Allows you to pretty much keep stuff out of sight. And some of these are lockable, so you can actually store stuff that is some of the chemicals and stuff that you don't want the kids to get to. But it gives it a neater look. Here I did a workbench on top by 2x4s, and then put some cabinets underneath for storage. So now number 5 is just going to be hidden storage. So what I mean by hidden storage here is pretty much, as you can see, this just looks like a plain simple worktop, but as you can see, it actually opens up to allow you to store stuff. And that was done by using sauce hinges, which you can see right there, to create these hidden storage compartments. So also on this side, so you can see more storage right underneath, using same thing, sauce hinges. And then one other quick thing I did, just this is not really for storage, but more for workspace. So here is a drop down work table, workbench, whatever you want to call it. Allows you for a little bit more space when you're in here working. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Gives you some ideas of what you can do to create a little bit more storage in your shed. If you like, please hit that like button, and there's also a link below to see the other videos that I have done up on storage.